In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw large amounts from PNC Bank. Whether you're planning to make a major purchase, need to settle an important transaction, or have any other reason for wanting access to a significant sum, we'll walk through how to do this smoothly and securely. First, it's crucial to understand the withdrawal limits associated with your account. ATM withdrawals often have daily limits that can range from a few $100s to a few thousand, depending on the type of account you hold with PNC, such as checking, savings, or your specific tier within the virtual wallet. For very large amounts, however, you'll need to head into a bank branch. This is because substantial sums of money can't be pulled simply through an ATM and will require direct assistance from bank staff. Planning ahead is key, especially if you're considering a large cash withdrawal. You should call your local PNC branch before your visit. Branches don't carry endless reserves of cash, and notifying them in advance can provide the necessary time to prepare the funds you'll need. During your call, be ready to specify the amount you wish to withdraw when you plan to collect it, and if you have any specific requirements regarding the denominations of the bills. When making your withdrawal, it's important to bring proper identification. A valid government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport, is essential. This is standard procedure, especially when dealing with larger sums, to ensure safety and compliance with banking regulations. You should also be aware of any fees or reporting obligations. In the US, any cash withdrawals exceeding $10,000 will be automatically reported to the IRS. This isn't a fee, but it is a standard reporting procedure that banks must follow under federal regulations. Before opting to carry a considerable amount of cash, you might want to evaluate alternatives. There are safer ways to make transactions, such as bank transfers or cashier's checks, that can mitigate the risks associated with carrying large sums of cash physically. Security is another critical factor to consider. Large cash withdrawals can pose security risks, so take precautions to maintain your safety. If possible, have someone accompany you when you make the withdrawal. Ensure the transaction at the bank is done discreetly, and count the money before leaving, or ask a bank staff member to do it for you. If the amount is indeed large, consider opting for smaller withdrawals over several visits. Taking the proper steps can make withdrawing large sums of money from PNC Bank an efficient and safe process. By planning ahead and ensuring you have all necessary documentation and precautions in place, you can handle your finances with the confidence and care they deserve.